As a content creator, I need lots of space, and I'm always going through and doing reviews and videos and everything, and I like to have different aspects. I don't like to just have one camera view. So what works great for me is having a lot of areas, and I have a nice tabletop from VIVO that I'm going to show you. Let me go through and fire up my phone, and I'm going to show you a different view. So let's go ahead and switch here, and now you can see my workspace where I'm at right now. Let's go ahead and check out the tabletop. As I said, I review lots of different things, and here we have this awesome tabletop. And this tabletop has been here for over 2 years. I've been using this. So this is just set on top of another desk, and the desk is not what I want. It's thin, it's not shaped correctly, but I wanted an area where I could do a top-down display and go ahead and film videos. So that's what I do. I just move everything out of the way. I put whatever I'm going to go through and do a video on, and then I have a thing here hooked onto it as well. It's pretty secure. And I can set my phone in here, and when I do that, I can go ahead and be hands-free. And now I can say, hey, we have these batteries, blah, 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 they work great. But this isn't about the batteries, this is about this awesome tabletop. You can see it's in pristine condition, even though it's used all the time, and I really do like it. It's solid, measured perfect for me, so I was able to go through and put it right in this section. And this is an area that I didn't think I was going to be able to use because it's just like a little area, like a closet almost. And we made it work by throwing this desk in here and just adding this tabletop. The tabletop does work with lots of different ones. It's got a good amount of weight to it, so because of that, it's pretty solid and it's not going to move around on you easily. And you can see there, I went with the solid white for my videos, and yeah, I really do recommend it. It's really come in handy just to go through and give me that other aspect of content creation where I can give a top-down area, I can unbox something, and I definitely recommend it. My name is Kevin with Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this was helpful.